Hi everybody, welcome to I2I Gurukul channel. Today we are going to discuss about the extraocular muscles, anatomy of extraocular muscles. So let me begin with the topic. A set of 6 extraocular muscles, 4 rectus and 2 oblique muscles controls the movement of each eye. The rectus muscles are superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial rectus and lateral rectus. These are the 4 rectus muscles, and 2 oblique muscles are superior oblique and inferior oblique. So we are going to discuss now origin and insertion of the rectus muscles. The rectus muscles originate from the common tendinous ring that is called annulus of Jean, which is attached to the apex of the orbit, encircling the optic foramina and medial part of the superior orbital fissure. The medial rectus arises from the medial part of the ring and the superior rectus from the superior part, and also the adjoining the dura of converting the optic nerve. The inferior rectus from the inferior part and the lateral rectus from the lateral part by 2 heads which join in a V shape. All the 4 rectus muscles run forward around the eyeball and are inserted into the sclera by flat tendinous about 10 mm broad at the different distances from the limbus. Now we will go through insertion of 4 rectus muscles from the limbus, at what distance they are inserted. The medial rectus is inserted 5.5 mm from the limbus and the lateral rectus is 6.9 mm from the limbus. Inferior rectus is inserted from limbus to, that is the distance here 6.5 mm, and the superior rectus is inserted from the limbus, the distance is 7.7 mm. Moving to the next point, that is the superior oblique muscles origin and insertion. The superior oblique muscle is arise from the bone above the medial to the optic foramina. It run forwards and turn around the pullae, that is the trochlea. It is present in the anterior part of the supramedial angle of the orbit and is inserted in the upper and outer part of the sclera behind the equator. Coming to the next, that is inferior oblique, it arises from the rounded tendinous of the orbital plate of maxilla just lateral to the orifice of the nasolacrimal duct. It passes laterally and backwards to the inserted into the lower and outer part of the sclera behind the equator. Coming to the nerve supply of the extraocular muscles. The superior oblique muscle is supplied by the 4th cranial nerve and the lateral rectus muscle is supplied by the 6th cranial nerve. Remaining all the 4 muscles, the superior, inferior and medial rectus and inferior oblique muscles are supplied by the 3rd cranial nerve. The blood is supplied. Coming to the next point, that is blood supply of the extraocular muscles. Blood supply is derived from the muscular branches of ophthalmic artery. Now we'll move towards the action of each extraocular muscles. Here we have main 2 types. The monocular movements are called as ductions and the binocular movements are called as versions. The action of extraocular muscle is to rotate the eye around a center of rotation situated 12 to 13 mm behind the cornea. So rotations take place in the horizontal, vertical and anterior posterior axis. In movement of the eyeball, every muscle is involved either with the contraction or inhibition or more or less. The first lateral rectus, it moves the eyeball outwards, that is called as abduction. The medial rectus, it moves the eyeball inwards, that is called as adduction. The superior rectus, it's a main action, it moves the eyeball upwards, that is elevation. And the secondary or subsidiary action of superior rectus is number 1, it moves the eyeball inwards, that is adductions. And the second one is it rotates the eyeball inwards, that is intorsion. Coming to the fourth muscle, that is the inferior rectus, it has a main action, it moves the eyeball downwards, that is called as depression. It's a secondary or subsidiary action of inferior rectus, it moves the eyeball inwards, that is the adduction. It rotates the eyeball outwards, that is the extorsion. Coming to the oblique muscles, that is the first one is the superior oblique. The superior oblique actions are due to the contraction of the reflected portion of the muscles. The main action of superior oblique, it moves the eyeball downwards, that is the depression again here. Secondary or subsidiary action of superior oblique, the number 1 is it moves the eyeball outwards, that is the abduction. And the second one, it rotates the eyeball inwards, that is the intorsion. Coming to the last inferior oblique muscle, that is it's a main action, it moves the eyeball upwards, that is called as elevation. Subsidiary or secondary action of inferior oblique, the number 1 is it moves the eyeball outwards, that is called abduction, and it rotates the eyeball outwards, that is called extorsion. Coming to the first conjugate movement of the eye. In this explanation, I am showing here images for you. You can get better understand through the images. So the first movement, that is the dextroversion, horizontally to the right. The second one is levoversion, horizontally to the left. And the third one is dextro elevation, that means it moves upwards and to the right side. And the levo elevation, it moves upwards and the left side. Dextro depression, that means downwards and to the right side. And the levo depression, that means downwards and to the left side. These subsidiary action of the vertical recti and the oblique muscles are due to their oblique position of making their angle with the anterior-posterior meridian. The rotation of the eyeball is expressed in relation to vertical corneal meridian. That is, when this meridian rotates inwards, that is intorsion, and when these rotations rotates outwards, that is extorsion. Now we have conjugate movement of the eyeballs here. When both the eyes are moved together, keeping their visual axis parallel, the movements are known as conjugate movements. We have 6 different conjugate movements. We'll go through one by one. For each of these movements, 2 muscles are take part, one from each eye. These pair of muscles which works together are known as synergic or yoke muscles. Now we'll go through the synergic muscles taking part in the conjugate movements of the eye. The first movement, that is the dextroversion. In this movement, the right lateral rectus and the left middle rectus take parts. Now coming to the second movement, that is levoversion. In this movement, left lateral rectus and the right middle rectus take parts here. Dextro elevation, that means in this movement, the right eye superior rectus and the left eye inferior rectus involved here. Coming to the fourth one, that is the levo elevation. Left superior rectus and the right inferior oblique muscles are involved here. Coming to the next, dextro depression. In this moment, the right inferior rectus and the left superior obliques are involved. Coming to the last, levo depression. In this moment, left inferior rectus and the right superior oblique muscles are involved in this machine. Now we will go through muscles tendon of insertion measurements. Coming to the medial rectus, it has tendon length of 3.7 mm and it has inserted from the limbus it measures, that is the distance here 5.5 millimeter, and it has tendon width, that is the 10.3 millimeter. Coming to the lateral rectus muscle, it has a length of tendon length, that is the 8.8 millimeter, and it is inserted from the limbus, that is the distance here 6.9 millimeter, and it has a tendonous width, that is the 9.2 millimeter. Superior rectus has a tendonous length, that is the 5.8 millimeter, and distance from the limbus it is inserted, that is it measures 7.7 millimeter, and it has tendonous width, that is the 10.8 millimeter. Coming to the last, that is the inferior rectus muscle, it has the length, tendon length, that is the 5.5 millimeter. Distance from the limbus it is inserted, it measures the 6.5 millimeter, and also it has a tendon width, that is 9.8 millimeters. Friends, I would like to thank you all going through this session patiently, and I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you will get all the notification when I upload the new sessions on my channels. Thank you very much.